In our world, where markets evolve, products change, and demands shift, the ability to adapt quickly and cost-effectively is a competitive edge. From electronics to life science to energy, each product requires a unique automation approach. No matter the complexity, at ASYS, we develop the right automation solution for your product. Interdisciplinary minds working as one, deeply understanding your product. With over 30 years of technology know-how, we don't just automate, we ensure your process works. Our in-house labs provide the perfect setting where our application engineers simulate and validate hands-on, ensuring your automation is reliable from the very beginning. We are automation experts. We develop, we engineer, we integrate together with our customers. In today's world, production demands more than just efficiency. It must be ready for the unknown. That's why we think beyond, building flexible and scalable automation. At the heart of it all, our modular machine platform, designed to integrate any process. With unmatched flexibility, it's built to adapt to changes, making it sustainable by design. For ASYS, automation does not end there. Our software, Synaptica OS, detects hidden potential and elevates data intelligence to a new level. With our expertise in material logistics, we provide extended automation, including order and material flow management. Early collaboration and thinking automation beyond boundaries. That's how we achieve what matters most. Outstanding quality and highest efficiency. Set for what's next, because high efficiency starts long before production begins.